Hello students, welcome to Anysol Institute. Earlier it was Torque Institute. For government policies, we upgraded our institute's name as Anysol Institute. Anysol means any solution. So this is your chapter 12. This is your chapter 16th, 12th chemistry. Very important questions for your coming examination. Chemistry in everyday life. We have uploaded all the video lectures, all the important questions of these chapters, all the 16 chapters of your chemistry subject, and physics also we uploaded the important questions. You can watch on our website and on our channel, YouTube channel. Okay, you can note down these questions on your notebook so that it will be very easy to grab, to watch it, to see again and again. Please do hard work. Exams are very easy in your life. Exams are very easy things. If you will fear about exams, yes, there will be good fear, but a bad fear can destroy you, can frustrate you, but frustration is not a solution. And all the students are giving exams, you are not alone. So be careful, do hard work. If you have any suggestion, anything you want to ask, you can comment us in the comment box. I will reply you definitely. I want to help each and every such student who are giving exams. Don't be depressed. If you are in depression, you can comment us. You can ask me how to go out from these depressions, so that it will be very easy for you for your final examinations. Please note down, these questions are very important. We have uploaded first chapter to 16th chapter of chemistry subject, and physics, maths, biology also. Question papers also we have uploaded. Please watch all the videos, lectures that we have uploaded for you. We are doing hard work for you so that it will be very helpful and easy to get marks after final examinations. Please give us suggestions, give us your feedbacks, how you are liking our website and our questions. Students, if you want to refer to others also, Anysol Institute means Torque Institute. I Lovejeet Singh personally will tell you how to attempt exam also. Please, you can refer our videos and Anysol Institute to others also. We have physical branch classroom lectures in Amritsar city, that is in Punjab. Okay students, I hope it will be very helpful and easy way for you that we have created. Okay, if you have any suggestion, then comment us in the comment box. Please share these videos to all the students studying in 12th class, and we have uploaded all 11th class videos also. And for your what you want to do, what you must do after 12th, you can ask us where to get admission, how to get. We will give you all suggestions, all the things. Okay, then thank you. I hope this video will be very helpful for you all. Okay, then I Lovejeet Singh giving you best wishes for your final examination. All the best for your exams. Okay, thank you.